friends, it's Miss Michelle. Let's make some ice cube sailboats and have some water play and go sailing. Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna tell how to do it first. Get an ice cube tray, any kind will do. Pour some water in it. Put Saran Wrap over the top and then poke your straws into the ice cubes. Then you're gonna make a sail. A shape like this or a triangle will do. Hole punch, and after your water freezes into ice, take off the Saran Wrap, and then we're gonna put on our sail. Voila, there you have it. An ice cube sailboat, look at that. Let's see if they float. Let's see if they float. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, I have yellow, blue, green, orange. Oh. Oh, I forgot you were there. I'm sorry. I was having so much fun. Have fun with this, boys and girls. Go sailing. Have a great day.